Commission on Elections continues preparations for the upcoming October 28 barangay polls. Comelec officials and Communications Secretary Sonny Coloma saw for themselves the progress of the printing of ballots for the political exercise. Noel Perfecto reports.
Communications Secretary Herminio Coloma personally assured that the National Printing Office will be able to print 64 million official ballots needed for the Barangay and Sangguniang Kabataan elections this coming October 2013. This after they ran through ocular inspection. The Secretary, together with Comelec commissioners and top officials of the NPO, that the 2 million official ballots are being printed daily with the new machine.
Talaga pong kahanga-hanga at kapuri-puri ang napakahusay na performance ng ating National Printing Office. Ipinakita po nila sa buong sambayan ng Pilipino ang kanilang competence at professionalism. At sa ngayon po ay meron na talaga tayong may pagmamalaking na printing facility at printing capability.
Comelec Commissioners Grace Padaka, Bobby Lim, and Director James Manners were in awe at the printing machine used by the NPO. As of the moment, there are 33,167,000 official ballots printed, while 15,952,000 have been delivered to Comelec. Due to the new printing mechanism, the government was able to save more than 148 million pesos.
Handang-handa po sapagkat doon sa shipping plan na sinagawa nila Director Andaya, inuuna yung mga pinakamalalayong lugar sa Timog at saka Kanluran. Yung southernmost at saka northernmost locations, kailangan unahin to make sure na darating sa takdang panahon ang mga balota.
With regards to the issue of canceling the SK and barangay elections in Zamboanga, officials said that this will depend on the peace in the said area.
Baka pwede rin mangyari. Let's say naayos yan second week of October pero karamihan ng mga voters naka-disperse pa. Sino maboboto? Diba? So, yun ang mga issues na kailangan namin makonsider.
And with the postponement of the SK elections, they said that it would be better if we wait for the decision of Congress.
Paubayan na lang po natin sa ating mga mambabatas yung tungkol sa SK election. Yaman din lamang na yung pagkakaroon ng SK election ay batay po sa isang batas. At batas din lang ang makakabago dito. Kaya angkop lang ng ating mambabatas ang siyang gumagawa ng pasya hinggil dito. Ihintay na lang namin kung ano ang kanilang magiging pasya.
We're very hopeful considering that the Senate approved it and the House is going to on third reading na on Monday na mapopostpone whatever the version is, whether 1 year ang postponement, 3 years ang postponement, may holdover, walang holdover, sigurado na kami na may postponement mangyayari.
For the People's Television, I'm Noel Perfecto.